Sanibona bafowethu, ngifuna ukwenza ama-reviews ngale game bafowethu. A very good win, 2-0. Number 1 again. Sishiya nga-1 goal Sundowns. Very good. It's a battle of points and goals. Apparently, i-league is so exciting njengamanje. We're looking at i-league very competitive. I-Chiefs if ingawina ama-goal amagame awo-2 ingazithola isiwu-number 3. So it's a very good league. Nalapha ezansi you can see ukuthi once ama-game sleeps, like it's a very exciting league this time around, and I'm really happy to see talent. I was watching game Sundowns in the Orbit. We're seeing Orbit free to play. I think Hoto on number 7 Wabo having some flair, and any team playing. I think we number 25 Umabele playing like a team. They like the structure going forward and stuff, but and we're watching a game Pirates against the Bay, where you see there's a normal back four Skakano Umtsinera, and then Umabuya on the right, and then on the left Mtunga, a very good, strong, solid left back. And coming to midfield, but a very strong midfield. But Tembu, Bano number 6 game Kosha Uzkali, and then game Kosha number 6 versus Pumagu Solos. I don't know why. And then going forward, the Kumete, Baba no Mahala. I really love the striker, and then Besaba no pants. So the team was playing a very 4-3-3, a strong team, solid team, especially maybe totally Pola Bezamugala, and you could see. I think somehow having Skakane Kubali Mazile mover aerial wise. Ubona ama-files commit amangabe uphakama, because akwazi ukuphakama. I think if bebedlala i-center back normal khona lo mjida ongenile second half lo waseNamibia, if ngingaphazami lo wenza penalty, apparently I think bebezoba strong. So I really like indlela ade besinya ngakhona game. First 15 minutes we sithola ama-chances and besikubona. Second half babuya ngamandla. Into eyenzakalayo ukuthi ke inormal lento ebholeni. There was nothing wrong tactical or anything. We just slept imqondo because siyekile ukuthola ama-goal. Whenever sifika kufana 30 umfukenge befuna ukushaya ama-1-2 singasabi nama-shots, and then ibuya la spirit team, and then plus nabo Hoto uma ngabe engatholanga ibhola uyazi uyacasuka dino. So i-team lost the power and the control, and then iBay yabuya. I think we number 77 uKhumalo if ngaphazama, if uKorea lapha instead of uzama ukuphasa igame mhlawumbe bengenzeka sibe ne-draw. I think moving forward, we made a sacrifice. Whenever kukhona uMasanga, and this video is not about him or abadlali, but whenever sihlala yena kusho ukuthi we made a compromise. Compromise ukuthi sizoba no apologies benifokeng aba best quick game. Reason is because whenever kudlala uMasanga, i-team ayibalance moving forward. I-tempo ye-game iba too quick. I think ucoach umfakele ukuthi ufuna i-directness. So now whenever sinoMasangwayi, we lack ukuba control of a game, and we lack i-last pass to Umbutuma. You never see him pass Umbutuma at all. Yes, singathi Umbutuma, but uyawathola ama-chances kule game siphuma kuyona no. Ngaphandle lo mcini amshaye khona befanele kube penalty la. So now kusho ukuthi ke we sacrificed uMoremi, because system yesijama esebenzela is having uMoremi on the left, having Umufukeng is a number 10, and then Police is an invert ukuze bakwazi ukudlala ama-1-2. Now mangabe khona uMasanga kuba khona i-confusion. You find him uMasanga mfethu, I don't know if push this ngamnika yona. How do you say number 8, because uyathanda ukudlala ebholeni, uyathanda ukuzoquality ball. The moment ezoquality ball amathi emhlana vele ayi-low block. The moment ezoquality ball uyathatha ibhola asazi ukuthi aliphasele bani, because yena as a number 10 simdinga kuma pocket. Reason why ama-stats njengamanje athi i-Kaizer Chiefs banama-dribbles amaningi per games. Njengamanje i-Kaizer Chiefs I think inama-shots on goals amaningi this season. So for ama-stats athi futhi uMasanga njengamanje top goal scorer e-Pirates njengamanje. So ukumfaka egameni stats wise ke sense, but mawubuka igame ayigive sense ukuqala kwakhe game, because we lose into eziningi kakhulu. umfana is good direct. I don't think usay iform yakho ethola kule system ukuthi adlala ama 1-2-1-2. I'm not sure noma udinga striker noma udinga I don't know noma kwenzakani but there's something elekhayo man ngaye ukwenza ama final pass, ukwenza ama run behind the defense. I didn't see him enza I run behind umcineka like efuna ibhola kuma pocket. He needs to be patient. So you made the sacrifice enjalo, and you could see ukuthi I team abeform kahle. I-goal sithola ngokuthi umfukeng uyaphuma wide usibelebele wenze run behind uwenza 6 yard. I would expect leya run enziwe number 10 ukuthi enze ama run behind, because as a free road une ability yokubona into before yenzeke. Like kune goal umfukeng alcohol against amazulu where aphuma wenza I-header. We expect number 10 abeke lawo ma-errors kanjalo uma ngabe si-attack, so we're not finding him. So I'm just saying ukuthi coach shouldn't compromise isystem esisebenzelayo uma ngabe sinoMorim on the left beno-Hotso, they are so good, and then have u-Apolis nomfukeng bedlala nearer to each other and then moving forward. So we saw ukuthi i-game second half we could have lost leya game kahle because it's njengamanje draw thina i-lose. So we think amajidi ukuthi awinile. Ngizwile ukuthi there was a scandal after game, or I don't know why abantu bebusha uSibisi, because for me uBhodlela currently is the best defender kwi-Betway. For me indlela compete ngayo eReal, istability asinika sona abafowethu is something so amazing. Lo mfana uSiyema ubuyeka spectacular because uSibisi does that dirty job. Normally uSiyema akamaka ama-jewels. Normally uSiyema udlala la mabhola uSibisi asuke emshayile because uSiyema is good nge-recovery. How many times have you seen uSiyema elimala ngama-jewels? He doesn't. But uba nolimala uSibisi uganaganda lapha emove ku-World Cup uzombona. So I don't know why uSibisi is being booed, but uSiyema needs uSibisi. Ngaphandle kwaSibisi uSiyema bafethu yoba exposed ama mistakes asawenza. Uphumile on the right izolo, wayekela umuntu odlula phambi kwakho azama kumfala. If usibelebele azangakhava lapha besoba ne problem. So we're done for i-win wafowethu. Nothing much from Umbatha benoMakhawula, nothing bad. Also first half I really liked indlela abaplay ngakhona i-press. You know ukuthi whenever khona Umbatha wafowethu une-shot, une-pass, une-stability, une-control. So I really hope next time coach shouldn't compromise the game plan. So before to see you on the next one. Thank you.